Hello everyone! In today's video tutorial I want to show you how do we crochet some more complicated stitches. Here I have one round of granny square with 3 double crochet on each side, and let's start our round with chain 3 and 1 double crochet into the corner space. Let's show you how do we crochet front post double crochet. So this is the post of our stitches 1, 2, 3, and this V are our top of the stitches. So front post double crochet goes around the post of the stitch. Yarn over, you go around the post of the stitch from front to back, from back to front again, just around this stitch. You grab the yarn, pull all the way back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is our front post double crochet. Let's do it once again. Yarn over, you go around the post of the stitch from front to back, from back to front again, yarn over, pull through all the way back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and one more time, front post double crochet, yarn over, you go around the post of the stitch, grab the yarn, pull all the way back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's have in the corner 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and I will show you how do we crochet back post double crochet. So yarn over, and we will work around the post of the stitch. Just this time we go from back to front, from front to back again around the post of the stitch. You grab the yarn, pull all the way back. Oh, I lost it. Again, from back to top, you grab the yarn, you go all the way back, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. Let's do it again. Back post double crochet. So we go around the post of the stitch from back to front, from front to back again. You grab the yarn, you pull the hook all the way back, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops. And one more time. This is our back post double crochet. Let's do in the corners, and again just simple double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So I'll go just to another side of the square, and I will show you how do we crochet front top double crochet. The technique is similar like if we would crochet front post double crochet, just location of the stitch is different. So as I told you before, this is the top of our stitch, these 2 loops that form V, and we will be working into the top of the stitch. So if you want to crochet front top double crochet, yarn over, you insert the hook into the stitch from front to back, and from back to top you insert the hook into the next stitch, the top of the stitch. We just borrow here some space. You grab the yarn, pull through all the way back, and finish like you would crochet normally double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do it once again. Front top double crochet into this second double crochet. So you insert the hook into the top of the stitch from front to back, and from back to front you insert the hook into the top of the next stitch. You grab the yarn, pull through back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And the last stitch before our corner space, again you insert the hook into the top of the stitch, and here you insert the hook into the chain. You grab the yarn, go all the way back, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is our front top double crochet. Into the corner, let me do again just simple 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet just to pass to another side on the square. And I will show you how we will crochet back top double crochet. So again we will be working into the top of the stitch, into these spaces like you would normally crochet double crochet. So when we crochet back top double crochet, yarn over, you insert the hook into the very first stitch, the top of the stitch, from back to front, and from back to front you go into the top of another stitch. We just borrow here some space. You grab the yarn, go all the way back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So this is our back top double crochet. Let's do it once more time. Yarn over, you insert the hook from back to front into the top of the stitch. Then from front to back you insert the hook into the top of another stitch. Grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And the same way you will do here before corner space. So you insert the hook here into the top of the stitch and into the chain 1. Let me finish this corner and I will show you how do I crochet granny squares. So I have all my stitches into the corner, I mean all the beginning stitches of each round I have into the corner. I have a separate video for this, you can watch it. I will put the link in the description. Just will show you very shortly now. So here we have 2 double crochet. We had 2 double crochet in the beginning of the round, and if we do all corners, usually chain 2, the last corner space we will do chain 1 and single crochet into the top chain of chain 3. This will form us the last corner space, and our beginning stitch, which is chain 3, will be always here in the corner. If you need 2 stitches in the corner, 1 double crochet goes right in the corner space. Okay, let me show you how would you crochet extended front post double crochet. Yarn over, hit the post of our stitch, so you go around the post, you grab the yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is extended front post double crochet. Let's do it once again. Yarn over, you go around the post of the stitch from front to back, from back to front again. You grab the yarn, pull through one loop, yarn over, pull through two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops. So this is our extended front post double crochet. How would you crochet stitches if the pattern says back loop only or front loop only? This is the front loop only and this is the back loop only. So if you need to crochet double crochet, yarn over and you insert the hook into the middle here between those. Grab the yarn, pull through two loops. So this is our back loop only double crochet. So you insert the hook and you grab only back loop. Front loop only, instead of back loop, you are grabbing only front loop. So this is front loop double crochet. Let's do it again. The top of the stitch, this is back loop and this is front loop. So front loop only double crochet, you insert the hook only into the front loop. The same would look front loop only single crochet. You insert the hook only into the front loop and you crochet single crochet. So these are more complicated stitches that you can find in my patterns and other patterns as well. I hope this video tutorial is helpful for you.